What's up, sweeties? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a peaceful fall DIY. We're making a neutral color Dollar Tree pumpkin wreath. This one's perfect for fall 2025. I love how budget friendly yet elevated it turned out. I used 2 adult luau skirts, 2 pumpkin wire wreath forms, nautical rope. This gorgeous harvest clip is optional. I used 1 fall mixed bush, a bouquet of sunflowers, and also a bouquet of maple leaves. I picked up a pack of nylon cable ties. I didn't even know that these came in 3 different colors and 4 different sizes all in one pack. My first time seeing this find, but I love it. All the materials that I'm using today came from Dollar Tree. I know some Dollar Tree DIY projects include other materials from Hobby Lobby, maybe Amazon, but all of these materials did come from Dollar Tree. If you're interested in using the luau skirts, I do recommend you visit your local Dollar Tree as soon as possible because it is a seasonal item. For this DIY, you're going to want to also grab your hot glue gun and a pair of scissors. First, we're going to start with one of the pumpkin wreaths. I'm taking the 2 luau skirts and inserting them into the back of the pumpkin. We're going to place the top of one skirt on one side and the top of the other on the opposite side. This will create a nice full texture that mimics straw, giving it that rustic fall vibe. Once the skirts are in place, I'm laying the second pumpkin wreath directly on top of the first one, and just make sure that it's aligned well. Now I'm going in with my zip ties around a perimeter to tighten both wreaths together. This will also help secure the skirts in place. After trimming the excess from the zip ties, I'm using the skirt's waist ties to knot everything tightly in the back. This will add even more security. To clean things up, I'm trimming any excess skirt material that's sticking out or uneven around the wreath. You can also trim the back if you want it extra neat, but since no one will really see that side, that part is totally up to you. I'm going to add a zip tie to secure some of the back pieces in place. Trim and adjust the skirt as many times as you need until it's to your liking. Next up, florals. I'm taking my mixed bush, my sunflower bouquet, and the maple leaves and blending them all together to make one full fall bouquet. Once I'm happy with the mix, I'm using another zip tie to tie all the stems together. Even after tightening, you can still adjust the flowers to your liking. Just fluff and shift until you're happy with the arrangement. Alright sweeties, now I'm placing that floral bouquet right in between the two stems of the pumpkin wreaths. We're going to secure it with another zip tie wrapped around the bouquet stems and the back pumpkin stem. Already, it's looking like a high-end piece. To hide those bouquet stems and add a cute touch, I'm using my hot glue gun and some nautical rope. I'm wrapping the rope around both pumpkin stems, gluing as I go just a little at a time. Be sure to press the rope down so it lays smoothly on the layer below. I added more zip ties around the perimeter of both wreaths to secure it even more, and since I had extra rope left, I decided to wrap it around the full perimeter of the wreath for a cohesive finished look. I love how it brings everything together and makes the pumpkin pop. After one last trim around the edges for neatness, it's time to hang the wreath. You can use ribbon, rope, or like I'm doing, another zip tie loop through the back. I looped the zip tie through my rope and secured it with more hot glue. I really debated adding the harvest clip. It has a little shimmer and shine, so I decided to keep it off since I wanted this wreath to stay on the more rustic side, but I will most definitely save it for my next DIY project. And just like that, we are all done. I even have a bit of rope left for a future DIY. Thank you all so much for spending time with me today. I hope this inspires your own fall decorating. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell so you'll be notified when I post my next peaceful DIY. Let me know in the comments, would you leave this wreath as is, or would you have added the harvest clip for some sparkle? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, stay sweet and creative. See you in the next video. The sweetest.